If you've asked your boyfriend about your relationship status and he keeps saying that he doesn't know if you're still together, then here's the thing. He is actually saying that you are no longer together. All right? If he's saying that he doesn't know if you're still together, he's in essence saying that you are no longer together. The reason why he's stringing you along is because he doesn't have the guts to tell you right out that you are no longer together. In fact, there's a very good chance that right now, as you're watching this video, he's out there possibly looking for someone else or talking to someone else. Okay? So when a guy says that, when they say, I don't know if we're still together, then he's basically saying he's checked out of this relationship. Okay? He's stringing you along because he doesn't quite know how to tell you that it's done, or he might not even have the guts to do it. Okay? And hopes that you get the message. All right? So that's what he means when he says that.